This is Aditya Kumar Rai from CAC IDD Part 5, and this year I will be contesting for Student Parliament elections with ballot number 1. So my aim for contesting the election is there are many things which need to be developed in campus or institute right now and which have been lacking since very long. So the first and the foremost thing which I aim for is the creation of the open space and the co-working space. So it's a space where the male student and the female student both can work collaboratively. And for this, I'll discuss with the other parliamentarians, the council's general secretary, joint general secretary, and the administration body for the creation of a separate building where various clubs room can be created, and so the male student and the female student can work collaboratively there. And for this, the security guard will be enforced 24/7, and the CCTV cameras will be installed inside, and only the club members and the team members will be allowed to the issued ID cards, and other members who want to watch the events will be delivered the visitor card. So further, I aim for development of better quality cafeterias and canteen. I have visited the cafeteria most of the time and seen either the items are out of stock or items are not in the cafeteria at all. So the thing I aim for is the items are keep updated and in stock all the time. Also, the timings of cafeteria is limited, so I'll focus on improving the timings of cafeteria furthermore. And I've seen that in summers there is a lot of heat inside the cafeteria, so I'll focus on having the ACs installed in the cafeteria so that it can provide a better space further in the afternoon heats as well and in the summer. I further ensure that the better quality food is served in all the mess equally. We have seen that some mess work fine and good, while the other mess food is not as equivalent as the other mess. So for this, we can have a routine or a surprise checkup in the mess. And this can be done by forming a team of students as well as the faculty member. So if the hygiene and the mess quality food is not fine, so the strict action can be taken against that mess worker and the mess owner. Initially, the warning will be given to the particular mess owner, and if the further situation is continued, the mess owner will be removed and replaced by the other mess owner. Also, there are many other areas of improvement, and I promise to deliver at you at the finest. We have seen that students generally address their problem or issues on the WhatsApp group, or they deliver it orally. But in this case, it has been seen that most of the problems go unaddressed, and the most of the people who wants whether the problem has been solved or not, they're not aware of that situation. For this, we can have a live spreadsheet maintained, and that spreadsheet can be visible to all other students. For this, the complaint can be registered on an online portal, and the status of the problem can be seen as a completed or incompleted. If it's completed, well and good, and it's incompleted, the particular authority will be responsible within the finite deadline. I further ensure that once I get elected, I'll focus on conduction of open house program where the director, team, and all other authorities will be present. And the students will have an open platform where they can raise their question and raise their problem before all the authorities present. And each of them will be responsible for the work they are doing. And I'll be responsible for solving your problems and putting before the Senate when required. And finally, मैं तुमको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि तुम सबके पास 5 वोट्स है, and election 31st August को है. So I kindly request all of you to give vote on ballot number 1, Aditya Kumar Rai. Har Har Mahadev.